Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jaljeera lemonade. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 4 to 5 fresh lemons, a small bunch of mint leaves, and a 1-inch piece of ginger. Also, have on hand 2 teaspoons of roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of black salt, and sugar to taste. Finally, ensure you have plenty of water and ice cubes for serving this refreshing drink. Now, let's prepare the flavorful Jaljeera base. Take your fresh mint leaves and the 1-inch piece of ginger and blend them with about 1/4 cup of water until smooth. Next, strain this mixture through a fine mesh sieve, pressing firmly to extract all the juice. Discard the pulp. To this vibrant green liquid, add 2 teaspoons of roasted cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of black salt, mixing well. With our Jaljeera base ready, it's time to combine everything. Squeeze the juice from 4 to 5 fresh lemons directly into your prepared Jaljeera mixture. Now, add sugar according to your preference. Typically, 2 to 3 tablespoons work well, but adjust as needed. Stir the entire concoction thoroughly until the sugar completely dissolves, ensuring a perfectly balanced flavor profile. Finally, it's time to serve your delicious homemade Jaljeera lemonade. Fill tall glasses with plenty of ice cubes, then pour the refreshing drink over the ice. For an extra touch, garnish each glass with a few fresh mint leaves and a thin slice of lemon. This zesty, spicy, and sweet beverage is perfect for any occasion. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.